Tech China is checking out the $70 Noke padlock. It's a keyless padlock with smartphone access which can be shared or pre-programmed click combination. This actually doesn't have anything for me to lock it to. Noke offers a $70 Bluetooth padlock and also offers U-locks for bicycles. You can control one or multiple locks from the app. The lock can be opened by clicking with an approved smartphone with its Bluetooth activated with additional options for security, as well as a manual method by pre-programmed Morse code signature. You can share access to other smartphones, while an activity log records when and where it was accessed. It's all powered by a standard watch battery, which is advertised to last for more than a year of usage, while the whole unit can be jump-started with a similar battery type. Now Tech China is going to check just how rugged the Noke padlock is.
Whoosh. Alright. One long one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still works. I'm gonna burn this now. Hook's been in there for a few hours. Let's see if it still works. Okay. One long press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Not bad. Still works. You want me to?
The Noke is definitely a bit more expensive than the $4 padlock to use in high school, but definitely has some pretty cool features, including the Morse code setting and the ability to share access with other smartphones.